the Taoiseach, Micheál Martin, was speaking this afternoon about the interception of the aid flotilla. He said that the international community have to call it out, what happened on Wednesday night. And he did say that Israel has to abide by international law. Do you welcome those comments from the Taoiseach?
It's a little late to say this after my comrades were abducted and kidnapped. And it's a little late after our two special comrades, Tiago from Brazil, holding a European passport, and Saif, a Palestinian man who has a Swedish-Spanish passport. And both these comrades have been separated from the rest of the Irish who were kidnapped and are now being taken to an Israeli jail. How will Micheál Martin's comments help those two men? Most of their comrades are terrified that the Palestinian lad may never be seen again. I know there was a lot of violence on the boat when they tried to separate the two men. And I just want to say, Tommy, if I could, without interruption, our hearts and our thoughts go out to their families tonight, because we're all very, very distressed at the scenes we have seen and at the thought of those two men being separated from the comrades.